Providing live support to a user, be it internal or external, can be challenging if you're doing it remotely. How many times have you tried explaining something to an applicant by email or phone only to be misunderstood? Thankfully, SmartSimple has a feature called Emulation Mode, designed to help you provide live, direct hands-on support for users, be they internal staff, applicants, or clients. Emulation Mode gives you the ability to access the system as another user, enabling you to see the system in the view of that particular user. You can view or make changes directly to any information on the user's behalf. Emulation Mode is particularly handy in situations where you're helping an applicant virtually with their application. In those instances, you can log in as them and either guide the applicant or make changes directly on their behalf. You can set Emulation Mode such that certain roles can view and edit while others can view only. Turning on Emulation Mode is easy. Simply navigate to the person or user's contact in the system, select Options, and Emulate Session. Once turned on, you'll see an orange bar at the top confirming that you're in Emulation Mode. In this mode, you're viewing the system from the perspective of the user you're emulating. So if you're using Emulation Mode to help out an applicant, once turned on, you'll be viewing the system in the same way as the applicant does. If your role is set up for view and edit capabilities, you can carry out any of the same functions in the system as the user you're emulating. If your role is set up with view capabilities only, however, you're limited to viewing information without the ability to edit. Once you're ready to stop emulation, simply end the session to return back to your normal view in your portal. Keep in mind that you can't have an emulation session opened in one tab in your browser along with your own portal opened in another tab, so you won't be able to toggle back and forth from your own personal portal and the active emulation session that you have open. As a start, you'll need to be logged in as a system admin. In the global settings, you'll navigate to the Security tab and select System Feature Permissions. From there, navigate to the Feature Permission tab. You'll need to select the user roles whose portals will be accessible via Emulation Mode, as well as enabling it for the various roles you'd like to give emulation rights to. From here, you'll also determine which roles have view and edit capabilities and which have view-only access. As a general rule, you can't set up access so that local or global admin roles can be emulated. To summarize everything we've covered in this video, Emulation Mode is an easier and more effective way to assist users like applicants that need support or assistance with whatever they're doing in the system. There is no setup required. All you need to do as a system admin is to determine and assign which roles you are giving permission to use Emulation Mode and which roles can be accessed via feature. You can determine whether a role has view and edit capabilities while in Emulation Mode or view-only capabilities. To access our full library of feature videos, subscribe to the SmartSimple channel on YouTube.